Ever stopped to consider the health of your kidneys? Or wondered about the importance of detoxifying drinks? Well, let's dive in. Our kidneys are true unsung heroes, working tirelessly round the clock to filter waste products from our blood. They're like the body's own waste disposal system, but that's not all they do. Kidneys also regulate our blood pressure, balance bodily fluids, and even produce hormones that help make red blood cells. Now here's where detoxifying drinks come into play. These beneficial beverages help flush out toxins, giving our kidneys a well-deserved break. They're packed with antioxidants, minerals, and other nutrients that support kidney function and overall health. Picture them as a refreshing spa treatment for your kidneys, reinvigorating and revitalizing these essential organs. So, you see, kidneys play a vital role in our health, and detoxifying drinks can be the key to keeping them in top shape. Now, you might wonder, what are the benefits of kidney cleansing? Well, let's dive right into it. Kidney cleansing is like hitting the reset button on your kidneys. It helps flush out toxins that may have built up over time. These toxins can negatively affect the kidney's functionality and may lead to kidney-related ailments. But the benefits don't stop there. A cleaner kidney means a more efficient filtration system for your body. Improved kidney function can lead to better blood pressure regulation, more balanced electrolyte levels, and a stronger immune system. And guess what? All these contribute to your general well-being. Moreover, kidney cleansing can potentially prevent the development of kidney stones and other kidney-related diseases. It's like providing your kidneys with a shield against possible health threats. Kidney cleansing, therefore, is not just about keeping your kidneys healthy. It's about boosting your overall health. So let's give our kidneys the care they deserve, shall we? So how can you make these detoxifying drinks at home? Easy as pie. You'll need fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs, all packed with nutrients and antioxidants that help flush out toxins from your body. Let's start with a lemon and ginger detox drink. Grab a lemon, a small piece of ginger, and a teaspoon of honey. Squeeze the lemon into a glass, grate the ginger, add it to the glass, then stir in the honey. Fill the glass with warm water, give it a good stir, and voila, it's ready to drink. Or if you're a fan of green drinks, try a cucumber and mint detox water. All you need is a cucumber, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and a jug of water. Slice the cucumber, tear up the mint leaves, add them to the jug, fill it with water, and let it sit for a couple of hours to let the flavors infuse. And there you have it. A simple and easy way to make your detoxifying drink at home. But how exactly do these detoxifying drinks help in kidney cleansing? Well, it all boils down to the ingredients these drinks are made of. Ingredients such as lemon, ginger, and turmeric, to name a few, have properties that aid in the detoxification process. Lemon, for instance, is high in citric acid, which helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. Ginger, on the other hand, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe the kidneys during the cleansing process. Turmeric, a potent antioxidant, can assist in eliminating toxins and reducing inflammation in the kidneys. These ingredients, when combined in a drink, create a potent detoxifying concoction that helps flush out harmful substances from the kidneys, thereby improving their performance. The process of detoxification not only cleanses the kidneys, but also enhances their ability to filter the blood, regulate body fluids, and maintain a healthy balance of electrolytes. So don't underestimate the power of a good detoxifying drink. It's your kidney's best friend.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest